So now let's talk about the little effort we will do for big rewards, right? How you earn money in this business. So I felt it was important. I wanted to recover this slide. We're creating simple videos. We're going to be charging $500 a video, and we're going to do it quick, just a few minutes of focused work. Speed of implementation is important, right? Making us and our videos affordable is what sets you apart from everyone else. Rather than charge the full market rate, you will be undercutting other producers. This bargain video is still engaging content, and it's still worth the price that you're asking. In fact, it's worth more, but remember, we want to be unique. Okay, now let's take a step back. I say don't sell video. And now maybe this might be a little confusing, and I'm sorry if it is, right? But it's important to realize that we're not selling the feature of this product, right? Video is the feature, right? What does this product include? It includes a video, yay, right? But what we really want to sell is that benefit with some kind of sizzle, something that's, you ever hear the term sell the sizzle, not the steak, right? Where the steak is the feature, but that, when somebody walks out with I don't know, like a fajita, right? And it's coming out, you've been to a restaurant where they walk out with the fajita and it's on that metal skillet, and all you hear is it's sizzling, and you can almost smell it right as it's coming towards you as the server is bringing it to you, right? How excited are you to sink your teeth into that fajita steak, right? Remember, this is more or less what we're doing here, is that we want to be able to sell the benefit, the delicious taste that they're anticipating from that sizzle. They're not just buying a video from you. They are buying a route to their goals and mission, whatever they are. This is the road that always leads to the bottom line, right? It's the ultimate thing that a business owner cares about is their bottom line. If you say, I have a garbage video, but that garbage video is getting me a 30% click conversion, which is better sales or higher sales and more money, more leads, more referrals, that business owner will still buy that video because it's working. It's producing revenue and value. So that's the bottom line, right? More leads, more referrals, increased branding and awareness, ultimately more revenue. So what we do is we sell packages. We don't just sell, you could sell one-off videos. In fact, there is a package for that. But just keep it in your mind that we want to sell something bigger. We want to sell the bigger idea and benefit of doing the video. So you don't say something like, hey, I want to sell you a video. It's, hey, I want to do a campaign for you that's going to get you more leads for your carpet cleaning business, right? You notice the difference. And sometimes it's a very subtle difference, but a big difference in concept and a big difference in the way it will make the business owner feel when you're trying to close them. But, we'll get into that in the sales pitch and everything else when we get to that section. So you could sell a campaign. It's a monthly pack of videos with some kind of purpose, right? Like a lead generation purpose, some kind of brand or awareness push, or even just to promote some event or holiday specials, right? Again, you could build channels out of this. You do a monthly campaign, one video per week, and over time, let's say over the year, at the end of the year, you have 60 videos or whatever it is in your channel, and it becomes kind of a hotspot for the business owner to send traffic to educate their audience. And at the end of every video, you have something asking the video or viewer to take action, whether it be to pick up the phone or submit their email address, pick up some free lead bait, whatever, get on the list. That's kind of like the whole flow or sales funnel of a video campaign. Next, you could do the channel building. We hinted about it just a few moments ago. Build out their YouTube channel. Again, long-term strategy. Fill that channel with content. So for an example, I thought of a dental client, right? So this dental channel is going to use image slideshows. Remember, we don't have to go crazy with video, actual video footage. Just use slideshows with some voiceover and or text that explains the common procedures, maybe calms down people who are a little nervous about going to get their teeth cleaned or get a root canal. And then at the end of that video, right? And matter of fact, at the end of every video, remember, take a call to action, offer a free exam. And the effect that will have is to bring people into that business's sales funnel. And the effect that will have is to bring those viewers into the business's sales funnel. Okay, there's the video on demand package. So these are promotional sales events, any sponsored local events. Like, they have an Italian festival in a nearby town over here. And, you don't really want me going there because I will eat up all the Zeppelis and all the other awesome food that's going to be there. But, what happens is a lot of those events all have sponsorships, and all the local shops in the area will get a table and may even pay a couple of $1,000s to get on the program, right? So they'll have their logo and their website, everything on that program, and they'll sponsor those events. Well, wouldn't it be nice in leading up to the day of that event, have a video that the business can tweet out or send on their Facebook or Instagram, just to kind of highlight their participation in that sponsored event? All major holidays, right? A lot of businesses have holiday events, holiday sales events, and we could use video to promote that as well. And then, of course, there is a satire angle, something that businesses can use, generate a sales event that pokes fun at something that happens in the local news, right? There are, in fact, way more ideas that you can use here for a video on demand service. And a lot of the times you'll get them from the business owner themselves. They'll say to you, hey, I want to do a video on this, right? Now, I got a formula that you're going to use to put videos together. I'm going to walk you through that formula. And once you understand that, you'll be able to take whatever the business owner's idea will be and kind of mold that into your formula and come up with a great video script. But again, we go over that in the appropriate section. So you do want to create what the client wants. So what you really want to do in some cases is feed their ego, right? If they're going to have a vision, create that vision for them, right? And that will really enamor that business owner to you because, hey, you have an idea. I'm going to be able to bring that idea to life and make a video about it, right? All these owners are going to have some ideas. They're going to be sitting around one day thinking, how can I get more customers into my business? I wish I can have a video. And in that video, I would do this. Right? So maybe they even went around and shopped that around and found somebody, hey, can you produce this video for me? And that person came back with a $5,000 price tag. Sticker shock. I can't pay for that. So the idea goes out the window. But now you walk in or you send an email saying, hey, I could do a low-cost video for you. If you have any ideas, if you had any ideas in the past, send them my way. I'm going to be able to put this video together for you quickly for $500. Easy sale. You got to look at this by the numbers. Right? So let's say you have a client signs up for a weekly video program. That's one promotional video per week at $500 a video is equal to $2,000 per client. Get 5 clients, you're looking at $10,000 per month. Very easy to make 5 videos per client each week. It really only takes, once you know what you're doing, about 20 minutes per video, sometimes less, sometimes more, kind of depends on how you work, right? But still, 5 clients, 10 grand a month. If you're doing all the work yourself, that's all gravy money, less a couple of expenses, right? Not many, very small. Your margins will be quite high. Get 10 clients, you're looking at 20 grand a month. Got the time to do this full time? Work 20 clients a month, and I will give you an example on how breaking this down. If you can, in fact, work a $40,000 a month business, right? Over $500,000, or at least almost a $500,000 a year business, all by yourself, just servicing 20 clients. So can you run a $40,000 a month business? All right, let's just say it takes a conservative 1 hour per video to do the work, right? Now let's say we have 20 clients at 4 videos per month. That's 80 videos a month you're producing, right? Consider you got a 1 hour setup time and a 1 hour production time. You're looking at 160 hours of work, right? That is a full-time job. It's a 40-hour a week work week. But you're looking at $40,000 a month. Is that not worth it? Would you not quit your job, hire your friends or family, which, we can argue is not a great idea, right? Sometimes you don't want to work with friends and family. But just argument's sake, you got somebody you love and trust, hire them to help you. Then maybe it just takes each of you 20 hours a week to run a $400,000. Well, actually, what would that be? That would be almost a $500,000 a year business. So, unequivocally, yes, you can do it. And you can do it by yourself if you want to. Now, you want to work a little less. You don't want to work 40 hours a week. I don't know many people who really do want to work full weeks. You can hire a video guy, right? Pay him $10,000 to do all your video work, right? Obviously, you wouldn't do this until you're cooking, right? until you got 20 clients already working and you feel overworked. Hire a video guy to do all the video production, and you just cut out the majority of the work, and it just costs you 10 grand, right? Hire maybe a sales guy, do the $3,000 to $4,000 a month, and or some commission structure. Maybe it's $2,000 a month plus a percentage, and guess what? You're the boss now. You don't really do anything. You're kind of quote unquote hands free, and you bank. So now what you're looking at is, out of that $40,000 business, you're looking at, whatever it is, $28,000 or $27,000 profit if you're doing the 20 client scenario, right? You want to work a lot less, half that, just work 10 clients, and you're looking at $240,000 a year.